Good evening sa inyong lahat. So ngayong gabi, I will share with you ang ating dessert. It's all about biscuits this week, guys. So meron tayong makapuno, ilagay natin siya sa topping sa tin. Biscuits, meron tayong yam, purple yam. So as Filipino, we know that. And cherries. We have caramel. Tingnan natin kung ano ang maano, guys. Dahil I'm cleaning my refrigerator, so nakita ko sila. Hopefully, hindi pa sila mga expired. And nakagawa tayo ng ating toppings na cream. Ayan. Very yummy siya, guys. Whipping cream lang siya and confectioner sugar. This is the result. No butter. Yan lang siya. Gusto ko ito sa aking mga, ano ba ito, cupcakes. Ito ang ginamit ko sa aking cupcakes. And of course, si fruit ang ilagay natin sa toppings to. Okay, we'll start. You know, if you have kids, give them something to do during weekend dahil boring din naman. Kaya, ayan, madali. If you have biscuits at home, it's very easy. Sometimes I use cream cheese for this. But this time, guys, I just use confectioner sugar. Ang mga kasama kong Amerikano, guys, kumain sila, sabi ko, kainin niyo yan. Dahil pumunta kami one time sa kay John restaurant. Ano ba yung restaurant? Basta may restaurant na may beans, kinain nila. So, I remember na meron akong beans. And then this week, umuulan dito. Grabe ang ulan. Oh my gosh. May mga tornado warning pa. So, what I did, I make a kidney beans plus rice. Oh my gosh, they like it. Sabi ko, oh, what do you think of that? Kidney beans and rice. Oh, the crust came off. Yan. So, what's next? We are going to add some fruit. So, ito si fruit. Yan. Lagyan mo siya ng Wow. So, what do you think of that? Kiwi, my blueberries, and that. So, ito ang ating snacks ngayon, but it's still biscuits. Biscuits. So, I think too much paglagyan pa natin ng coconut plus caramel plus something. I'll just set that aside, guys, dahil it's too much. It is too much. So, tingnan ninyo ang ating biscuits. Ang ating dessert is made of biscuits, guys. Wow. Though guys, mahirap siya lagyan ng mga decoration on top because wala siyang whole. Dapat maggawa ka ng whole, but ako ay tinatamad na wala na siyang butas, guys. It doesn't matter. Yan, kompleto na siya. You can use cheese with this too. But this time na, hindi na cheese dahil si eldest ko, gagamitin daw niya yan for her, pound cheesecake. Kung isang araw, guys, I'm cleaning my pantry. Alam mo, nakita ko yung maraming mga dapat gagawin. Nakagawa ako ng truffles and nakagawa ako ng fudge. Hindi ko pa na-download siguro. And, ngayon, guys, nakagawa na naman ako nito dahil marami pa rin tayong biscuits. And yesterday morning, masarap ang ating breakfast. Pig in a blanket and casserole. So if you have kids, this is good during this time na, rainy season, and then entertain your kids. Not just watch TV, not just play games, but entertain them cooking, baking, and then let them enjoy to decorate the cupcakes or your biscuits. Cheers! Sa lahat ng nag-subscribe dyan, thank you very much. And sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, guys, please click the subscribe button and welcome to Jennifer's Clubhouse. Thank you! Bye-bye! Yum, yum.